My name is Manoa, and I'm here to show you guys how to make paper airplanes. So to make a paper airplane, you need a paper, and your paper needs to be portrait. So now you fold the paper like this. Like this. Then you bring it down and fold it again the way you did before. So now you remove it. You remove it and like this, and make it like this. And it has a kind of X letter here. See? So now I just need to slightly bend the line and make it like this. Then I pull the Sharpie point up this place. I pull it up, then I fold it into half like this, then bring it down like this and make it like this. So now I bring this side in here. I make it like this so that if it hits any object, it will not be crushed and crumpled. So we have two airplanes here now. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel is Victory Ugu. So until next time, bye.